Are you tired of the same old pumpkin pie? Let me show you how to make these delicious pumpkin pie squares. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do here, in a medium bowl, we're gonna add 1 box of yellow cake mix and we're gonna reserve 1 cup of that for later use. And to that, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of margarine and 1 egg, and we're gonna mix that really well. All right, so now let's get that spread evenly in a greased 9x13 pan. All right, in another medium bowl, let's add 1 large can of pumpkin pie mix, 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk, and 2 eggs. And then let's mix that until it's smooth, and then we're gonna pour it over the top of the crust we laid in our pan. So now in a small bowl, let's take that 1 cup of reserve cake mix we set aside earlier, and we're gonna add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of margarine. And we're gonna mix that together until it's kind of forms a crumble. And then we're gonna sprinkle that over the top of our filling. Got her all put together. We're gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna bake at 350 degrees for about 45-50 minutes. All right, now let's take a look at what we got here. All right, so my mama has made these since I was a kid, and they are known as pumpkin pie squares. So I'm gonna slice these up into a square, and we'll show you what we got here. So these are great with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. But if you really want to step the game up a little bit, try topping it off with a little bourbon whipped cream. I'll show you how to make that if you watch this video right up here. Just like my mom used to make. There you go, folks. The pumpkin pie squares, a great alternative to that tired old-fashioned pumpkin pie. Enjoy.